Estate litigation in BC. 5 top causes. Estate disputes in British Columbia can be stressful, expensive, and deeply personal. But here's the thing, most cases actually stem from just a handful of common issues. Knowing what they are can help you spot potential problems early, and even prevent them altogether. First, lack of testamentary capacity. This happens when the person making the will doesn't fully understand what they're doing, maybe due to dementia, illness, or cognitive decline. The court looks at whether they understood the nature of a will, the extent of their assets, and who should reasonably inherit. Medical records, witness accounts, and expert opinions often play a big role in these cases. Second, undue influence. This isn't about a mental ability, it's about pressure. If someone manipulated or coerced the will maker into decisions they wouldn't have made freely, the will can be challenged. Red flags include sudden changes to the will, isolation from friends or family, or unusually large gifts to one person. Third, will variation claims. BC's Wills, Estates, and Succession Act gives spouses and children, even adult children, the right to ask the court for a larger share if they believe they weren't adequately provided for. Courts look at the relationship, financial needs, and moral obligations, but timing matters. You only have 180 days after probate to file. Fourth, improper execution of a will. In BC, a will must be in writing, signed by the willmaker, and witnessed by 2 adults who aren't beneficiaries. If these rules aren't followed, say only one witness signs, the will could be thrown out entirely, and intestacy rules would decide who inherits. Fifth, executor misconduct. Executors have a legal duty to act in the best interests of the beneficiaries. Misusing estate assets, delaying distributions, or failing to keep proper records can lead to removal from the role and even personal liability. There are also other common triggers, like beneficiary disputes over sentimental items or asset values, property transfer challenges between parents and children, often involving the resulting trust presumption, intestacy conflicts when there's no valid will, and elder financial abuse, where someone exploits a vulnerable senior to change wills or transfer assets for personal gain. While these are the most common reasons estates end up in court, many disputes can be avoided with clear estate planning and proper legal advice. If you're facing a conflict or want to make sure your own estate plan is airtight, working with a lawyer who focuses on wills and estates can save you time, money, and heartache later on. At Vest Estate Law, we serve the entire provinces of Alberta and BC with multiple offices where we're able to meet in person or virtually. Click the Get Help link in the description for our dedicated intake form to help you get the ball rolling. Our intake team will review your specific case and advise you on the next steps to take. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you're interested in learning more about estate law, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.